This is Brian Shoemaker, DVT Solutions, makers of GigaProbes. I've got today's application is dual probing for packages to extract S parameters through the package from the die attached to the ball side of a package. And here's a dual probing system that's set up to make this measurement. We're using two manipulators here, and they're set up for vertical probing. One is connected to a DVT-40 probe, and we have a camera system that's connected to a manipulating arm so we can focus in exactly where we need it. And this display is on this PC here. The other image is on the other side of the package, that we have a microprobe from GGB connected to the vertical positioner, and it's probing the tie attached side. Again, we have a camera here set up that is then displayed on the PC behind it. We've elevated these manipulators so we can take advantage of this vertical holding PCB holding system. That we've made a custom board that accommodates the package, so it's open on either side for probing the die side and the package side.